Alright, y'all, it's gonna be a short video. Why is that? Because I just woke up and the day's almost done. So, today, of all the days in my life, totally unproductive. You know, I try to post up a video every day. It's gonna be hard. Damn. I went to bed at like noon, just barely woke up, and it's like almost 10 o'clock tonight. Look what I woke up to. Say hi, boo-boo. Hi. Eating your ice cream? Wow. Nice. Man, that was my son. You know, today we're going shirtless. Shirtless Saturdays is what it's called. Basically, you don't wear a shirt. So if it's Saturday, make sure you guys don't wear a shirt because it's called Shirtless Saturdays. Look at this. Cup of noodles, man. Now I gotta either eat them all or throw them away. But what are you doing? What are you doing? You're eating?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream for dessert. Man, it's my breakfast time though, so what should I eat? Anyways. Yay, mommy! Son's all excited. Mommy just came home. What did she bring? Cup of noodles. Way to go, Idaho.
Look what Karen bought them.
What?
Look what Karen bought them.
What is that?
It's a piñata. Chicken piñata.
What
out
the
of
heck?
a Easter egg basket thing.
Why? ¿Habla español? ¿Habla español?
That's what I guess that's the thing now.
Bambino 5, órale vato. Órale vato, puta chicano, no toques stinky, ese vato loco forever. What is this? Yeah. Now we can replace the cup of noodles with these cup of noodles. Throw these away. You gotta have the gushers. It's already open. Did you buy these open already?
No, I ate one on the way.
Of course. Let's see the piñata. Let's open it up. Let's open the piñata.
She's gonna buy candy.
Boom! Dang, hell yeah! It ain't even Easter yet, and it already has a freaking chick coming out of an egg.
It was either this or a bunny, so I told her, chicken nugget. Come on. She says she's gonna buy the candy when it gets Easter week so that the candy's not stale.
Oh, so that's a candy-less piñata?
No, you have to, every piñata you have to put candy in.
What the heck?
No, you didn't know?
I didn't know that.
Wow.
I thought you bought piñata with candy in them already. Wow. See, that's how you know I ain't Mexican. Or I ain't Spanish. Or Hispanic. Or Mexican. I don't know. Whatever.